Okay, welcome to the lecture. Yes, as you all know, this is Beyond, and this is what I'll be using for my 2D animation and whiteboard animation. So in this lecture, I'm just going to go over how to use, okay, how to put your script together. The script is very important when it comes to 2D animation and whiteboard animation. So I'm going to be talking about how to put your script together easily. Okay, and as you can see, I'm using Google Doc for this one. And why I'm using Google Doc is because I want to get the script written. I'm gonna do two voiceover. I'm gonna do an AI voiceover, and I'm gonna do one using my voice. Okay, for this one I'm gonna be using my natural voice. Yes, so in the intro you'll be getting my natural voice. So what I usually would do is to come over to tools. As you can see my cursor, come over to tools, and I want to do voice typing. Okay, why I want to do voice typing, it helps me faster, save time, because when it comes to 2D animation and whiteboard animation, you want to be efficient with your time. Okay, so this would help me with my time while I could just read out my script and it's going to auto type for me. If you don't know this feature already, it exists and I use it a lot. So I'm just going to click on this mic icon and just go through my script, and then we'll see it written out, and then I'll also record it again, because this is what I'm going to be using for the voiceover for my 2D animation. For the intro you watch, this is what I'll be using. Okay, so I'm going to click on this now and write up all the script. So I want you to follow me step by step. Let's do that. Hi, my name is David Oisamoje. Okay, I'm going to be your instructor on this course, and I'm going to be showing you a lot in this 2D animation and whiteboard animation course. I would take you through the process of creating me as a character and my friend Chili, and then I will show you how to use us in this introduction video you are watching right now. So if this is something you want to know how to create, and you want to know how to create engaging whiteboard animation and 2D animation videos for your business or personal use, then make sure you enroll in this course now. See you inside. So now we have the script all set out. All I need to do now is just go over and just make corrections where needed. All right, just need to just make little correction. Remember, this is AI, so it's going to be creating me, not creating myself as a character, and my friend Chili will be the female character. All right, so it has to be capital letter. All right, okay, make sure you enroll in this course now. Okay, so this is how I usually just do it, and I just go over and try to break them down. So now I have the script. So if you want to decide to give someone to make the voiceover for you, you can just give them this particular script. They'll go out and make the voiceover. So for me, I'm going to be using my voice, so I'm going to go over again and just read out the script just the way I want it, and just the way you edit now, that is the same way I'm just going to put it into the recorder. Okay, you can use your phone if you're in a quiet place. If you're not in a quiet place, then I would advise you to go to a very quiet place. Sorry about that. I advise you to go to a very quiet place and just make a recording. But if you don't want to use your own voice, then it's fine. You can find someone to do the voiceover for you. Okay, so this is how to do voiceovers and how to write your script. So in the next video, I'm going to start showing you how I put things together. In fact, I'm going to make a voiceover and I'm going to show you the recording so that you hear it for yourself. Okay, so I'll do that in the next class. Let's go.